Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna use this delicious fruit, an avocado along with mango and some other ingredients to make a delicious and healthy smoothie. Now if you already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much for your continued support. If this is your first time, please leave a comment to introduce yourself, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. So these are the ingredients for this delicious, healthy avocado and mango smoothie. Along with the mango and the avocado, which is my main ingredient, I'm gonna add some celery. This is a very nutritious, bananas, and just a small piece of ginger. So first things first, I'm gonna add the mango in my blender here. I don't think I'm gonna use all of this. Yeah, I'm just gonna use all of this. Avocado peeled in half. This is one full avocado, so I'm gonna put it in the blender just like that. And I'm just gonna use two stalk of this celery. I'm gonna wash it. And then put it in the blender as well. Okay, so I've washed the celery and I'm just gonna put in the blender. And I'm gonna put 2 bananas. Just gonna break it up just like that. And just put it down inside. Just push it down because this is very soft. This is some ice, just to get the drink very cool, and some honey. Not too much because the mango and the banana is very sweet. Right, so this is a small piece of ginger that I'm gonna add in the blender. I'm gonna add some water, not a lot of water. The secret in making a good smoothie is not to add too much water. If you add too much water, then all the stuff will come up to the top and the water will be at the bottom. So I'm just gonna put this on the blender now. Just as simple as that. So this is now finished. Right, so there you have it. 2 delicious, healthy smoothie using mango, avocado, celery, banana and ginger. This is a very healthy drink. You could have it for breakfast, you could have it for lunch, you could have it for dinner, you could have it any time of the day. I'm just gonna have a taste of this delicious and healthy avocado and mango smoothie. This is absolutely delicious. I can't believe that it tastes so good. This is the second time I'm making this drink. I only make it maybe a few days ago and I thought, this could be a video. It is absolutely delicious. You can taste the flavor of the mango, the avocado, the banana, the celery. All 5 ingredients, you can taste it coming through. And these are absolutely healthy fruits, you know. I think you should try it. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, please leave a comment to introduce yourself, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Look out for more original smoothie videos from myself.